Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share with you a cholesterol lowering and cleanse your blood vessels with food therapy. If you have high cholesterol and triglyceride levels in your blood, then this is the ideal drink for you. You only need the usual kitchen ingredients to make it. Just drink a glass every morning on an empty stomach. You will see results in 1 to 2 weeks. This natural remedy can help you remove fat and toxins from your blood vessels and improve heart health. So you should watch the video in its entirety from start to finish. Learn how to lower your cholesterol and triglycerides in a completely natural and healthy way. Let's start making it next. First, we need a banana. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber, a fiber known as pectin. Pectin binds and blocks the absorption of cholesterol in the intestinal tract, thus acting as a cholesterol-lowering agent. In addition, bananas also contain polyphenol. This substance also has antioxidant and cholesterol-lowering effects. The second ingredient is a carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. It is able to reduce the development of atherosclerosis, promotes the metabolism of cholesterol in the body, and reduces its accumulation in the body. Carrots are rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C. They can reduce the absorption of cholesterol. They promote the metabolism and excretion of cholesterol. Prepare a lemon. Today's recipe calls for lemon zest. Lemon peel is rich in flavonoids. These components are known to lower cholesterol and protect cardiovascular health. In addition, lemon peel is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C. These components also help to regulate blood lipids and lower cholesterol. Next, we need lemon pulp. Lemons are rich in nutrients such as vitamin C and citric acid. These components have the effect of regulating cholesterol levels. The citric acid in lemons accelerates the metabolism and excretion of cholesterol. This reduces the concentration of cholesterol in the blood. Lemons also contain a variety of active substances, such as flavonoids. These substances are able to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. What country are you watching my video in? Can you tell me in the comments section? Your likes and comments are the motivation for me to make more videos. Next, we need a small piece of ginger. The active ingredients in ginger, such as curcumin and curcuminol, have the ability to promote cholesterol metabolism and reduce cholesterol absorption. Curcumin also plays an effective role in lowering blood lipids. The curcumin in ginger reduces the inflammatory response and reducing the degree of damage to the endothelial cells of blood vessels, thereby reducing the oxidation and deposition of cholesterol. Add 200 milliliters of water. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric has a significant effect on lowering cholesterol levels. Curcumin, a natural antioxidant substance found in turmeric. It reduces the levels of lipid metabolites such as cholesterol, blood lipids, and triacylglycerols. High cholesterol can cause atherosclerosis, leading to narrowing and occlusion of blood vessels, which, ultimately, it can lead to cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, coronary heart disease, and stroke. High blood cholesterol levels can lead to fatty liver and liver fibrosis. In severe cases, it can even lead to cirrhosis of the liver or liver cancer. Finally, you need to add the right amount of honey. Remember that if your blood sugar is high, this step can be omitted. The potassium content of honey promotes the excretion of sodium and other waste products by the kidneys, and reduces cholesterol levels in the blood. The many phenolic compounds in honey have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that lower cholesterol levels and protect cardiovascular health. Drink every morning on an empty stomach. The most important thing about natural remedies is persistence. You will see results in 1 to 2 weeks. My channel will regularly share natural remedy recipes. You are welcome to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice life.